In the heart of South Korea's enchanting Mount Seorak National Park lies Doldam, a private residence that seamlessly blends with the park's natural beauty. This contemporary architectural wonder, designed by the New York and Seoul-based one-aftr studio, draws inspiration from the park's fall foliage and magnificent boulder formations, creating a harmonious relationship between architecture and nature. The architects behind Doldam were meticulous in ensuring that the house melded seamlessly with its surroundings. They took rocks excavated during construction and thoughtfully repurposed them to craft a front yard adorned with stones and gravel. This innovative approach not only enhances the aesthetics but also fosters controlled plant growth, blurring the lines between the building and its environment. Doldam's front wall serves a dual purpose, protecting its occupants and offering a gateway to the front yard. With its slightly sheared design, this feature plays with perspective, creating a dynamic visual experience as one navigates the building. This interplay between angles and lines forms a captivating bond between the architecture and the natural landscape, intensifying the sense of connection and wonder. An eye-catching orange door welcomes residents into Doldam's courtyard, serving as both a visual delight and a practical element. This vibrant door allows tenants to regulate the amount of daylight and visual exposure, providing a personalized level of comfort and privacy. The courtyard, thoughtfully positioned within the layout, blurs the boundaries between indoors and outdoors. Two compartments on the southeast side, the courtyard and an outdoor deck, invite light, wind, and the soothing sight of the surrounding trees, fostering a sense of tranquility and unity with nature. The floor plan of one-aftr's Doldam House showcases meticulous design and functionality. Comprising 2 rows of 3 4-meter wide spaces, totaling 6 interconnected areas, the layout ensures that all necessary living amenities are conveniently included. A quick announcement. If you find this video insightful, do support us and join our community of home enthusiasts alike. It will be reinvested to better research and videos. Now, back to the tour. The open configuration encourages a seamless flow from one space to the next, promoting a sense of unity and continuity. This design approach allows residents to immerse themselves in the captivating beauty of the surroundings from every corner of the house, deepening their connection with the natural environment. The architects at one-aftr have taken great care to embrace and enhance natural elements within the Doldam residence. Ample windows throughout the building flood the interior spaces with natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. These strategically placed windows also facilitate cross-ventilation, promoting a healthy and refreshing airflow throughout the house. By harnessing the power of natural light and air, Doldam not only enhances the well-being of its occupants but also exemplifies sustainable living principles. Incorporating furniture by post standards that mirrors the vibrant hues of the interior walls and utilizing rough, raw surfaces that echo the textures of the natural boulders scattered across the area, Doldam is a testament to the harmonious fusion of architecture and nature. It stands as a captivating and environmentally conscious dwelling within the breathtaking Mount Seorak National Park, offering its residents a unique and immersive experience. We will now do a silent tour of the home. Please sit back and enjoy. Thanks for staying till the end. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content.